Welcome to LUME AUTO. In the world of ultra-luxury motoring, the ultimate statement of wealth is no longer simply buying a car, but commissioning a unique, irreplaceable piece of mobile art. Today, we are privileged to explore a vehicle that transcends engineering entirely. The Heritage Lineage, a bespoke commission that stands as a shimmering testament to human craftsmanship. Featuring an exterior hand-painted by a living master artist and an interior woven from rare silk and pearl. This is a car where every surface, every stitch, and every subtle curve is imbued with the quiet dedication of an artisan, transforming the chassis into a narrative, a canvas, and a moving piece of history. Forget the sterile perfection of the production line. This vehicle is a celebration of imperfection, uniqueness, and the beautiful, complex labor of the human hand. Its true value lies in the hours spent creating its aesthetic brilliance, a final, unrepeatable flourish of opulence. The exterior of the Heritage Lineage is where the artistic journey begins, demanding immediate reverence not for its size, but for the astonishing complexity of its finish. The car is not merely painted. It is clothed in a multi-layered, hand-polished finish that took weeks of dedicated labor to perfect. The base coat is a deep, luminous British racing green, achieved through dozens of carefully applied layers, each polished to a glass-like sheen. But the true masterpiece is the Single-Stroke Coachline, a feature unique to the finest bespoke cars. This line, a thin, perfectly straight band of metallic gold, runs the entire length of the car, applied by a single master artist using a custom squirrel hair brush. The astonishing thing is that this line is painted in one continuous breath, without a guide or correction, a signature that communicates absolute, unwavering mastery. The fluidity and human touch of this line contrast beautifully with the car's rigid, engineered shape. The most spectacular artistic feature is the hand-painted mural that adorns the bonnet and the rear deck. This is a custom commission from a renowned hyper-realist painter who spent over 400 hours working directly on the car's surface in a sterile environment. The mural depicts a scene inspired by the owner's estate, a detailed, luminous landscape featuring ancient oak trees and a reflection of a classical manor in a still pond. The subtlety of the color palette, the intricate detail of the foliage, and the lifelike quality of the light make the bonnet appear to be a detachable piece of canvas. This mural is then protected by several layers of a specialized, crystal-clear lacquer, applied by hand and polished for days, ensuring the irreplaceable art remains perfectly preserved against the elements. The entire process elevates the car's exterior from transport to priceless mobile fresco. Opening the coach doors reveals an interior sanctuary defined by unparalleled textile artistry and texture. The seating is upholstered in a unique combination of materials. The main bolsters are crafted from a supple, hand-tanned Scottish leather, chosen for its buttery softness and natural grain. But the central seating panels are woven from a custom-dyed, heavy-gauge silk, subtly patterned with a damask motif that complements the green exterior. This pairing of leather and silk provides a rich, tactile contrast. The cool smoothness of the silk against the deep warmth of the leather, transforming the simple act of sitting into a sensory experience. The stitching on the seats is done with a fine gold thread, meticulously applied by hand, creating seams that are not merely functional, but decorative lines of fine jewelry. The rear cabin is defined by the incredible detail of the Custom Silk Mural that covers the roof lining and the rear parcel shelf. Unlike the exterior's hyper-realism, this interior mural is a delicate, abstract depiction of flowing clouds and mist, hand-painted directly onto the fine silk headliner using specialized textile dyes. The mural uses soft gradient colors, pale gold, misty gray, and ivory, to create a tranquil, ethereal atmosphere above the passengers. This unique ceiling art provides a sense of open, boundless space, directly contradicting the confined nature of a car cabin, ensuring that the occupant is constantly enveloped in a curated, sophisticated piece of textile artistry that whispers of quiet opulence. The wood veneers used throughout the cabin are a triumph of marquetry and finish, They are a rare species of dark Brazilian walnut, chosen for its deep chocolate color and complex swirling grain. The veneer is applied to the dashboard, door cappings, and picnic tables in seamless, flowing sheets, all cut from the same log to ensure absolute continuity of pattern. The finish is a deep, mirror-like lacquer, achieved through dozens of coats of hand-rubbed polish, which gives the wood a liquid, glass-like depth. The corners and edges are painstakingly hand-beveled, ensuring that every transition between the wood, leather, and metal is a smooth, gentle curve, a testament to the master woodworker's decades of dedication. The detailing in the door cappings and picnic tables is breathtaking. The surfaces are not flat wood. They feature inlaid marquetry panels created from hundreds of tiny pieces of mother-of-pearl, silver foil, and naturally dyed wood veneers. These pieces are cut and assembled by hand to form intricate, subtle geometric patterns that catch the light and shimmer with iridescence. The folding picnic tables are particularly spectacular. When deployed, they reveal a dazzling surface of intricate mother-of-pearl that has been polished to a mirror sheen, transforming a simple tray into a portable piece of Art Deco jewelry, a functional sculpture for high tea. The mechanisms that allow these tables to deploy and retract are silent and damped, ensuring the movement is as graceful as the object itself. The metalwork throughout the interior is a study in restrained brilliance. All visible trim, from the air vents to the seat adjusters, is finished in brushed platinum, chosen for its cool, silvery luster and its resistance to tarnish. This choice of platinum over traditional chrome or brass provides a subtle, sophisticated sheen that complements the silk and leather without being overly flashy. The air vents themselves are not stamped metal. They are custom-milled solid platinum, featuring intricate geometric cuts that mimic the patterns of the marquetry, ensuring that even the necessary functional components are treated with the respect of high jewelry. The instrumentation is a deliberate blend of classic aesthetics and bespoke detail. The analog clock on the dashboard is a custom commission, featuring a face crafted from a thin disc of polished green jade, a color that subtly references the exterior paint, set in a platinum bezel. The hands are razor-thin, polished rose gold. This unique timepiece turns the dashboard into a gallery for fine watches, integrating the art of horology into the mobile sculpture. The needles on the main dials are hand-painted and finished with a faint glow, continuing the theme of meticulous, artisanal detail into the functional realm of motoring. The control elements, often the most technologically intrusive, are treated with aesthetic reverence. The buttons and switches are not plastic. They are solid, weighted pieces of cut crystal or polished obsidian, providing a luxurious, cool, and tactile feel upon touch. The crystal buttons are backlit with a soft, warm LED, making them glow gently in the evening. This attention to the tactile interface ensures that every interaction with the car, turning on the light, opening a vent, is a quiet, luxurious sensory ritual, transforming functional tasks into moments of appreciation for fine materials. Even the carpeting and footwells are areas of bespoke opulence. The floor is lined with a massive, continuous piece of deep pile alpaca wool carpet, custom dyed in a slightly lighter shade of green to complement the exterior. The softness and density of the carpet are intended to create an absolute vacuum of sound and feeling underfoot. The footrests, which deploy electrically from the seat base, are faced with a polished mother-of-pearl panel that is cool and smooth to the touch, reinforcing the theme of luminous, natural materials down to the ground level. The entire cabin is carefully lit by a complex system of hidden, directional LED uplights and spotlights. These lights are meticulously aimed to highlight the grain of the Brazilian walnut, the shimmer of the silk headliner, and the iridescence of the mother-of-pearl marquetry. There is no harsh, direct light. The illumination is soft, warm, and tailored to accentuate the textures and colors of the bespoke materials, ensuring that the interior remains a visually serene sanctuary, regardless of the time of day. This perfect management of light is key to realizing the full artistic potential of the cabin, the finishing touch that confirms the car's status as a comprehensive work of art is the bespoke luggage and accessories. The trunk contains a complete set of custom-fitted luggage, crafted from the same Scottish leather as the seating and lined with the same custom-dyed silk. The handles and closures on the luggage are solid platinum. Furthermore, the rear compartment houses a custom-made humidor veneered in Spanish cedar and inlaid with the same mother-of-pearl pattern found on the picnic tables. This attention to every complementary piece ensures that the entire lifestyle associated with the Heritage Lineage is a unified, unparalleled aesthetic statement of handcrafted opulence, this bespoke creation. The Heritage Lineage is a profound rejection of the disposable nature of modern motoring. It is a car that will never be replicated, a mobile sculpture built to celebrate the enduring beauty of human skill. From the single, perfect stroke of the coachline to the shimmering silk of the headliner, every detail is a story of craftsmanship, making this vehicle the most exclusive and dazzling piece of rolling art in the world.